Why we do this? Because we love the one we do. Micro soldering is our passion. We do a lot of stuff just for love. All these people, the one we need. Rescue all that picture in a dead phone. We are here because you chose us. We are Mr. B and we are help you to growing up. You chose us because you know we are professional in what we do. 1 year of warranty in any repair. That's no matter what you fix, you're going to have 1 year here at Mr. B. I born in a small island in the middle of the ocean that too many people know. I born in Puerto Rico and I from for Aguadilla, Puerto Rico. We are here because we are your friend. We are here to help you. Don't look at it like a competition because we are your future and the present. Mr. B, incorporate and repair spot.